रास्ता पूरा नीला सब पूरा जाम हो ना तेले बना पड़ा इसे गाड़ी खत्ता अभी पोंगी बना करेंगे sedang Jangan. ऊपर ना गाड़ी थे ट्रैफिक जाम होना बोई ना गाना दिखाएंगे तो बुंगजू कहा तो पूरा ट्रैफिक जाम दे अभी दिन को जाबू ना बड़ा पावो दे तो कितने अभी खत्म ना हो तो अभी दिन को अभी गाना प्रोग्राम तो ये बोई ना से वो कभी तो
Chairman and respected Union Minister Dr. Sugandha Majumdar, Union Minister of State for Education and Donor, NEC, our Chief Host, Sri C.L. John and Deputy CM, Mr. Y. Fitton, other colleagues, ministers, advisors and honorable MLAs.
In Nagaland in the years to come. The Kohima Smart Cities mission has made remarkable progress with over rupees 550 crores invested in improving urban infrastructure, sanitation and digital connectivity. Additionally, the NESID infrastructure projects have played a crucial role in enhancing skill development infrastructure in Nagaland. In the tourism sector, the Swadesh Darshan and Prasad schemes have contributed to the development of major tourism circuits in Nagaland, attracting domestic and international visitors and generating employment opportunities. Festivals play a vital role in preserving culture. I am delighted to witness that Konyak people celebrating their tradition with such enthusiasm. Let me take a moment to appreciate the significance of their most celebrated festival. Oliang Festival marks the beginning of the new